In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a roof in Planner 5D. First of all, you need to make sure that your basic house structure is already created. As you can see, I already have my walls and layout ready, and now I just need to place a roof on top of it. To begin, you first need to create a base for your roof. For this, go to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Build icon. From there, select the Forms option and then choose the cube shape. Place this cube into your project. This cube will act as the base structure for your roof. Once the cube is added, double-click on it to access its properties. At the bottom of your screen, you will see the option to adjust its elevation. Since the cube initially sits on the ground, you need to raise it to match the height of your walls. To do this, check the height of your room, which is typically around 270 centimeters, and enter that same value as the elevation for the cube. This ensures the base sits perfectly on top of your walls. Next, adjust the width and depth of the cube so that it covers your entire structure. You do not need to match it perfectly to the walls. Instead, make it slightly larger so that it extends beyond the edges, creating a realistic roof overhang. After that, reduce the height of the cube to a small value, around 10 centimeters, so it becomes a thin base layer instead of a solid block. If your house has multiple sections, you can simply copy and paste this base structure and position it over other areas of your design. You can switch to 3D view at any time to check if the size and overhang look correct, and make adjustments if needed. Once the base is ready, go back to the Build menu and this time scroll down to the Roofs section. From here, select a roof style that you like and place it on top of your structure. After placing it, rotate and resize it so that it properly aligns with the base you created earlier. Make sure it covers the entire area and extends slightly beyond the edges for a clean and realistic appearance. Now, since your base has a thickness of around 10 centimeters, you should slightly adjust the elevation of your roof so that it sits just above the base. For example, if your walls are 270 centimeters high, you can set the roof elevation to around 279 centimeters so it fits correctly. If your house has multiple sections, you can copy and paste the roof and position it accordingly on other parts. Make sure the roofs slightly overlap or connect with each other to avoid visible gaps and to create a smooth, continuous look. Finally, switch to 3D view to review your work and fix any alignment issues if necessary. After making all adjustments, you will have a clean and realistic roof added to your home design, and this is how you can add a roof in Planner 5D.